Good morning, students. Today I will make you familiar with the uh, entrepreneurship models, and this is our second lecture. In the first lecture we discussed about the meaning and characteristic of entrepreneurship and entrepreneur. So in the second lecture I will discuss about I'll make you familiar with the three models of the entrepreneurship. So, number one model of entrepreneurship is Cow's conceptual model, and this model was given by J.J. Cow, and he has written this one book titled Entrepreneurship, Creativity and Organization. And in this book, he has given or developed a conceptual model, and this model is known as Cow's conceptual model. This model is also known as the eco framework. And why it is known as the eco framework? And the full form of eco is E stands for the entrepreneurship, C stands for the creativity, and O stands for the organization. So eco model. He has given this name because he has written the book titled, as I told you, Entrepreneurship, Creativity and Organization. So he took E from the entrepreneurship, C from the creativity, and O from the organization. That's why he has given this another name for this model, that is the eco framework. And according to Cow, entrepreneurship is nothing but the interrelationship of the three elements. So he says that entrepreneurship is the result of three elements, and these three elements are: number one, the person, right? And the second element is the task, and the third element is the organizational context, right? So these three elements are the most important element for the entrepreneurship. So one by one we will discuss these three elements. So number one element is the person. So it is one of the most important element of the Cow's entrepreneurship model, because new ideas are generated by whom? It is generated by the person or the individual, and not by the organization or the technology, right? So जो ideas develop करते हैं, innovative ideas, जो हमने बोला है कि entrepreneurship जो है, it is basically an innovative process or the creative process, and these ideas are generated by whom? It is generated by the person. So it is one of the most important element of the एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी न्यू आइडियाज आपको प्रोड्यूस करके नहीं देगी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं देगी, सिर्फ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ह्यूमंस जो हैं और द पर्सन जो हैं, इंडिविजुअल्स हैं, दे आर द वन हु विल गिव अस द इनोवेटिव आइडियाज. So it is important for the organization to identify the talented people who can do innovation and bring profit for the organization. So this was the first element. Now the second element of the Cow's model is the task. So the second element of the Cow's model is task, and task is what group of individual do in the organization. So जो भी एक individual organization में कुछ भी काम करता है, जो भी उसकी duties हैं, responsibilities हैं, वो सब क्या हैं? These are the tasks of the individual. So task includes identifying opportunities, identify करना opportunities को market को scan करके, then organizing resources. We have different methods of production, and what the person have to do is they have to organize it to form a new product and services, so that that can be sell in the market to earn the profit. So this is another task of the organization. And last one is the providing leadership quality for the entrepreneurial growth. So these are the tasks which are needed in the organization. So tasks tell us about the individual's personality. So this was the second element of Cow's model. Now the third element, that is the organizational context. So organizational context is the setting in which the entrepreneurial work is done. So in